Husqvarna 350 air injection chainsaw. Just picked it up. Guy got it. Said he couldn't start it. Worked last year. This year it didn't work. I brought it home. Chain was way out of adjustment. Tried to adjust the chain. Couldn't. It was jammed. Took the side cover off. This cover right here. And the clutch brake in there was not released. He must have had the cover off when it was in the lock position and tried to put it back on in the lock position, and the band would not go around the clutch brake. After messing with it for a while and figuring out how to get it unstuck, and the spring popped out on me, and I had to force that back in, which was a real headache. Got it all back together and figured out how to get it on with the clutch disengaged. Now the chain moves. Before I couldn't slide the chain at all. That's why you couldn't start it. You couldn't pull it. It was locked up. So here's what we got. Let's see if I can do this and hold on to the phone at the same time. First time I had it running before this, couldn't figure out how to turn it off. This little thing here says stop, points down. Try pushing down this lever, that don't work. And I knew that was fast throttle. You pull it down, pull that out like that, and it's fast throttle choke to start it. And you push that down to release the choke. Here you got to pull it like this, and it stops it. Runs good. And the guy had Lowe's Service Advantage plan on it. Guess it must have ran out that he didn't take it back there. And warranty plans are useless. I never get them. Okay, that's it. Hope everybody enjoys it. We're gone.